Hi everybody, this is Fluency Town, linking sounds in English. I'm teacher Jesus and today we'll talk about linking sounds. When non-natives speak English, they tend to intonate it as their own language. Here I'll give you some important rules to sound better. Consonant plus vowel. The final consonant sound in a word is linked to the beginning vowel sound of the word next to it, and the two words sound like one word. For example, the words love her sound exactly the same as the word lover. The H is omitted in the unstressed word hair, so we won't pronounce sound.
Never died, and I love her.
Here we have some examples for you. Number 1, we look alike. We look alike. Number 2, she's a student. She's a student. Number 3, we visit him. We visit him. Now, it's your turn. Look at this example and try to pronounce it. He's an only child. He's an only child. Remember, don't stop. Keep trying. Follow me on my social networks as efldiary. Thanks for watching Fluency Town.